Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you exactly how I earn $10 every single day using a platform called GrabPoints. Yes, you heard that right. $10 a day, just by doing simple tasks online. And the best part? It doesn't take much time, and you can do it from anywhere. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to give you some insider tips that can boost your earnings even more. Let's dive in. So, for those of you who might not know, GrabPoints is a website where you can earn points by completing surveys, watching videos, trying out apps, and even by referring friends. And then you can convert these points into cash or gift cards. It's super easy, but there are a few strategies that can help you maximize your earnings. Let me break down how I started making consistent money with GrabPoints. First, I signed up, which is totally free, by the way, and I filled out my profile completely. This is crucial because the more detailed your profile, the more high-paying surveys and tasks you'll qualify for. Here's a pro tip. Make sure to enable notifications on your phone or email because sometimes high-paying tasks are limited, and you want to be the first to grab them. Now, one of the easiest ways to start earning points fast is by watching videos. I usually do this while I'm multitasking, like when I'm cooking or even when I'm just relaxing on the couch. These videos can be short ads, trailers, or even news clips. And guess what? They add up quickly. But that's not all. The real moneymaker for me has been the surveys. I try to complete at least 3 to 5 surveys a day. Each one can take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes, and they pay anywhere between 200 to 1,000 points. Here's a quick tip. Always check your survey dashboard multiple times a day because new surveys pop up frequently. Another thing I love about GrabPoints is the offers. Sometimes companies will pay you to try out their apps or sign up for free trials. For example, I once earned over 5,000 points just by signing up for a music streaming service that I was planning to try anyway. Here's a golden nugget for you: referrals. GrabPoints has a referral program where you earn a percentage of the points your friends earn when they sign up using your link. This is passive income at its finest. I shared my link on social media, in forums, and with friends and family. And now I get points daily just from my referrals activities. So you're probably wondering how all these points translate into actual money. Well, it's pretty simple. Every 1,000 points is equivalent to $1. I usually cash out through PayPal because it's instant, but you can also choose from a variety of gift cards if you prefer. Let me show you real quick how easy it is to cash out. As you can see, I have amount points right now, so I'm going to redeem them for $50 through PayPal. And done. The money is now in my PayPal account. I personally like to use this money for little treats or to save up for bigger things. It's like having a side hustle that doesn't feel like work at all. Now, here's the secret to really maximizing your earnings on GrabPoints: consistency and strategy. Don't just log in once and forget about it. Set aside a specific time each day to complete tasks. Maybe it's during your morning coffee or while you're winding down at night. The more you make it a habit, the more you'll earn. And before I wrap up, I want to say this. Don't expect to get rich overnight. GrabPoints is a great way to earn some extra cash, but it requires patience and a little bit of effort. But if you stick with it, the rewards are totally worth it. So there you have it. That's how I make $30 every day using GrabPoints. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on earning money online. And if you want to give GrabPoints a try, I'll leave my referral link down in the description. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.